What if I told you you could burn fat, build muscle, and stay satisfied longer, all while enjoying delicious food? But before we get into it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on real keto tips that actually work. Whether you're just starting keto or you're already in deep ketosis, protein is your secret weapon. But here's the thing, not all protein is keto approved. So here are 7 high protein foods that are low in carbs and big on results. 1. Eggs, nature's original multivitamin packed with protein, 0 carbs, and ready in minutes. 2. Chicken thighs, higher in fat than chicken breast, which makes them perfect for keto. Grill them, roast them, enjoy them. 3. Salmon loaded with omega-3s and high-quality protein. It's brain fuel and muscle food in one. 4. Ground beef, 80-20, fatty and filling. Perfect for burgers, bowls, or lettuce-wrapped tacos. 5. Greek yogurt, full-fat, unsweetened. Thick, creamy, and protein-packed. Add chia seeds or a few berries if you want to switch it up. 6. Tofu or tempeh keto can be plant-based too. Just stick to low-carb versions and keep it clean. 7. Sardines, tiny fish, huge benefits, full of protein, healthy fats, and ready to eat straight from the can. Bottom line, protein isn't just about building muscle. It helps you stay full, sharp, and in fat-burning mode. So the next time you're planning meals, think high protein, think keto. And hey, if this helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe for more keto content, share it with a friend who's on the same journey, and drop your favorite keto protein in the comments below.